Hello everyone, my name is Srianyelu. I am currently studying BTech at Vishnu Institute of Technology from ECE bench. Today I am going to explain about the array strings and functions. An array is a data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. Unlike variables which hold only one value, arrays can store a collection of values of the some data type such as integers, strings, or objects. And array methods are functions built into a programming languages that allow to perform various operations on arrays, such as adding, removing, or modifying elements, as well as searching or sorting the data. In JavaScript, arrays are used to store or order collection of data. Similarly, objects are used to store collection of key values pairs. When you combine these two structures, you can create an array that holds multiple objects, each of which can contain different properties and values. This combination of arrays and objects is useful for representing more complex data like list of items with various attributes such as list of students, products, or books. In JavaScript, functions are reusable blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. A function allows to encapsulate logic, making your code more organized, modular, and easier to manage. You can define a function once and call it multiple times throughout your code, which is useful for reducing redundancy. Functions can accept parameters inputs, process the data, and return a value output. A function expression is when a function is assigned to a variable. This type of function can be anonymous. In JavaScript, functions are one of the fundamental building blocks of JavaScript. They are used to encapsulate logic, perform operations, and improve code reasonability, reusability, and reliability. Here's a deeper dive into functions covering advanced topics, nuances in JavaScript. Function declaration versus function expression. These are two primary ways to define functions in JavaScript. Uh, Function declaration means a function declaration creates a named function that can be called before it hosting. And hoisting means function declaration are hoisted to the top of their scope, meaning you can call the function before it's actually defined in the code. And next one is function expression. A function expression defines a function and assigns it to a variable. Function expression can be anonymous without a name. Function expressions are not hoisted, meaning they must be defined before called. The first will work because the function declaration is hosted, the first greet, and the second greet will throw an error because the function expression is assigned to variable after the call. And there are another one, parameters and argument. JavaScript can accept parameters, means placeholders, and work with arguments, uh, and also the actual arguments there are in rest parameters in functions. And next one is strings. Strings are the one of the most fundamental data types in computer programming, used to represent a sequence of characteristics. There are essential for tasks involving tests such as displaying messages, handling user input, processing files, and communicating our networks. String is a sequence of characters which are character can be letter, symbol, or white space. And in JavaScript, variable let and constant they are used to declare variables, but there are different two scopes and behaviors. And Java modules were introduced in Java 9 as a part of the Java platform module system. One module means group related classes and resources to eat together. Specifies which other modules it depends on. Depends. Declare Declaring modules are exposed to other modules are not hidden or private. A module is defined by module as info.java file. Thank you.